Hi everyone, I'm Katie, bringing you another episode of AFI's DIYs. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very common product, body wash. It's easy and cheap to make, so why not add it to your product line? For this product you'll need one mixing utensil and one bowl. As far as ingredients go, you'll need 77.2% or 1 cup liquid castile soap, 9.6% or 2 tablespoons distilled water, 9.6% or 2 tablespoons almond oil, 3.2% or 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, 0.4% or 20 drops of your favorite fragrance. Today I'll be using grapefruit. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. You can choose any fragrance of your choice because over at AFI there's thousands of fragrances to choose from. I recommend using a citrus smell as it'll be super refreshing when you use it. Alright, let's get started. All you have to do is mix all of your ingredients in a separate container. The order does not matter, just dump it all in. Stir it thoroughly. Lastly, add your 20 drops of fragrance. Mix this in thoroughly. This is optional, but for an upgraded product, you can add some color in. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell how amazing this fragrance is. Once again, stir this thoroughly for a little bit. And once you're done stirring, let it stand for about 5 minutes. All it's left to do is put it in your selected container and you'll have your very own body wash. It costs us about $1 to make and it wholesales for $2 to $3 and retails for about $5 to $6. Thanks for watching another AFI DIY. To learn how to make your very own bath bomb, check out the link in the description. Make sure you subscribe and you can stay up to date with our latest content. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!